everyone. My name is Jasmine Pace, Department Coordinator here at the Office of Multicultural Affairs. Today is Thursday, which is Scholarship Day, which is Money Day. Here at OMA, we support our students in various ways, but today we really want to support our underrepresented students financially. So I'm proud to announce our undergraduate and grad recipients of Unity Banquet scholarships. So proud of y'all. Later, we'll hear from our campus partners that also awarded scholarships to our students. And then, wrapping up, Randy will recognize our academic achievement of students and graduating seniors. So our 2021 Unity Banquet Scholarship recipients for $500 is Clarence Trey Alexander Armstrong III, using it for tuition. Devin Brazello is using it for research. Alyssa Barrero is going to use it for research. Gabriella Cucanedo is going to a national conference. Joseph Lassiter for tuition. Shalanda Ploden is using it for tuition. Stephanie Garcia is using it for tuition. Selma Shire is using it for research. Samira Shire is going to use it for tuition. Umbar Solis Fuentes, tuition. And Katie Toledo is going to use it for tuition. And for our $700 and $50 winners, Caitlin McCullen is using it for tuition, and Nadir Tala is using it for research. Finally, our $1,000 recipients is Larissa D'Souza for tuition, Amaya Gibbs for tuition, and Jordan Lydia Perez is going to use it for tuition. Congratulations to all our recipients. OMA wants to support you in maintaining your momentum of your academic goals. Well done.
Hi, my name is Wayne Ho, and I'm a fourth-year undergraduate student here at the Case Western Reserve University College of Arts and Sciences. I am also a member of the Undergraduate Diversity Collaborative's Executive Board. Today, I have the honor of presenting you the recipients of this year's UDC Lending Library Award. Last year, the UDC Exec Board worked very hard to get the Lending Library off the ground in order to provide financially disadvantaged students here at Case Western with greater access to technological resources like Chromebooks and graphing calculators. They saw a lot of success. A lot of students were using the resource, and so they decided to do something more, to expand a bit. They created the UDC Lending Library Award, which would give one of the students that had been using the Lending Library a Chromebook of their own. This year, we're proud to say that we have 2 Chromebooks to give away, and the winners of this year's UDC Lending Library Award are Yoshmar Pinal Alfaro and Crystal Tascon. Congratulations and good luck.
Hello, everyone. I hope you and your loved ones are safe and well. I am grateful that despite the circumstances, we could come together and celebrate the academic accomplishments of underrepresented students and graduating seniors of CRU. My name is Vianney Bustos, and I am the president of La Alianza. I am here to present La Alianza's Diego Barrera Bayona Scholarship Award. This award was established in honor of Diego Barrera Bayona, who was an undergraduate student here at CRU. Diego was a proud member of the La Alianza family because he cared deeply about his Latinx roots and because he enjoyed celebrating cultural diversity. Those who knew him best would describe him as someone who was caring, witty, and courageous. Diego never let adversity keep him from achieving his goals. School, family, friends, and dreams were his driving force to keep going. This scholarship was created to support Latinx students in achieving their goals and dreams, just like Diego fought for. But it also aims to recognize the students' commitment to being part of the Latinx community in Cleveland, CRU, and/or La Alianza. I will now be announcing this year's recipients of the Diego Barrera Bayona Scholarship Award. Yoshmar Pinal Alfaro, Nancy Gonzalez, and Allison Hernandez. Join me in congratulating these individuals' accomplishments. Congratulations.
Hi, my name is Johnny Boylan. I'm the Vice President and Upperclassmen Representative of the African American Society, and on behalf of the Exec Board, I would love to congratulate Shanice Cattell on receiving the 2020-2021 African American Society Scholarship. Shanice showed great dedication to her academics and community and had a great vision for how she could further use her skills and passions to help others in the future. We felt as though she represented everything our scholarship stood for. Thank you to everyone who applied.
Hello. I'm Alex Bruno Navarrete. I'm a third year studying in the College of Arts and Sciences, and I'm the current president of First CRU, a student organization dedicated to working on building community, providing opportunities for professional development, and working on advocacy among, with, and for first-generation college students at CWRU. I'm excited to be able to present to you today the recipients of this year's First Gen Scholar Scholarship. When First Crew was founded in 2018, the goal was to create a supportive community for first-generation college students to help them to thrive in college by helping provide different resources on campus, learning how to navigate those resources, and finding ways to limit the barriers that first-gen students face while pursuing higher education. One of these barriers is the financial burden associated with pursuing higher education. A lot of first-gen students come from lower socioeconomic backgrounds, which makes it difficult to attend and afford college. Thus, the First Gen Scholar Scholarship was founded to help support first-gen students at CWRU. This year, we will be awarding 4 individuals. This would not be possible without the support of the Office of Multicultural Affairs. A special shout out to Naomi Sig and to Janae Kelly Eddy, who is the advisor of First Crew. A thank you to interim president Scott Cohen and to Flip National President Chris Sinclair, who supported the initiative. And a thank you to the First Crew Executive Board, who also made this possible. Now I'm happy to present this year's recipients. They are Elizabeth Ochoa, Mariah Hamburg, Cici Lara Anguiano, and Henry Yigota. Congratulations. And to all first-gen students, remember that you are resilient and brilliant, and keep striving for excellence.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Unity Banquet. My name is Dr. Damaris Puñales Alpizar, and I am the chair of the Department of Modern Languages and Literatures and the executive sponsor of Alianza Latina Latin Alliance. Once again, this year, we have to deliver the Unity Banquet online. We miss being together in person, hugging and laughing and crying of happiness and pride, and the energy that we can feel in the room when we are all together. But we have to keep social distance and to protect each other. This is the only way in which, sooner than later, we will overcome the pandemic and will be together again. I want to thank all our students, as well as professors and staff, for their resilience, their ongoing efforts to make events like this happen despite the coronavirus. I feel honored to deliver this award today. There is nothing more gratifying for a professor than seeing their students growing and reaching new goals and chasing their dreams. We feel proud when we see you walking out of the university's doors and going to the world with the knowledge and the experiences that you have cultivated in your college years. Somehow, the connection that is created between students and their university life is forever. This university will be part of you for the rest of your lives in the same way that you are a fundamental part of this place forever. For the last years, Alianza Latina Latin Alliance, the organization that groups Latin and Hispanic faculty and staff, honors one Latin graduating senior for their excellence in leadership. And every year we have a tougher and tougher work to choose just one. We have so amazing Latino students in our university. This year, the awardee for Alianza Latina Latin Alliance Award for Leadership Excellence goes to Ambar Solis Fuentes. Ambar Solis Fuentes is a graduating senior with a major in biochemistry and pre-health. She has been a resident assistant for the Office of Residence Life, a research assistant, and an active member of La Alianza, the campus organization that celebrates and promotes our Latino culture. As president of La Alianza and in coordination with their executive board, she created a proposal entitled Addressing the Needs of Latinx Students at CWRU. The proposal highlights the need to do more to retain Latinx students at Case Western Reserve University, from offering Spanish pamphlets for families during Discover Week to having an action plan in place for deferred action for childhood arrivals students. She has also been a strong force behind the efforts to create the first Latina and Women of Color sorority in our campus. This sorority will become a reality this coming fall 2021. We are happy and proud of presenting this award to Amber Solis Fuentes for her leadership. We will be mailing her the plaque and a cash prize in recognition of her work. Muchas felicidades, Amber, y que sigan los éxitos. Estamos muy orgullosos de ti. On behalf of Alianza Latina Latin Alliance, congratulations once again.
Hello, it's Randy Blackford. The Office of Multicultural Affairs seeks to develop an inclusive CWRU community, one that supports all students, respects and celebrates their identities, and facilitates their success. There's lots of different kinds of success, but there are three that academic institutions track the most. Those are retention, which means whether or not a student returns from their first year for their second year, academic achievement, or GPA, and then graduation. We're celebrating two of those tonight. The following students that you're going to see on these slides celebrate some amazing accomplishments of some incredible students who have succeeded during some uniquely difficult times. Some of these students will be graduating. Other students were celebrating their academic achievement. And there's also a group that we're celebrating both. Their commitment to excellence in the CWRU COVID time is a testament and anticipates a bright future, whether they choose direct employment, graduate school, but surely as CWRU alum. So please join with me and congratulate the following students.